the Boat Airdopes 170 TWS earbuds, which are one of the most affordable wireless earbuds in the market. I'll tell you about their features, sound quality, battery life, and whether they are worth buying or not. So let's get started. The Boat Airdopes 170 are stem-style earbuds that come in a compact case with a USB-C port. They are IPX4 rated, which means they are splash and sweat resistant. They also have a feature called ENX, which stands for Enhanced Noise Cancellation, and a mode called Beast Mode, which reduces the audio latency for gaming. The sound quality of these earbuds is impressive, with a powerful and balanced sound. The volume is loud enough for most situations. The call quality is also good, with 4 microphones that reduce the background noise. The battery life of these earbuds is 5 hours per charge, and 40 hours with the case. The case can charge the earbuds 4 times, and it supports fast charging. The Bluetooth connection is stable and smooth, and the earbuds automatically pair with your device when you open the case. Normally Boat Airdopes price is $1,999, but if you purchase from our given link then you will get it at 999 rupees only. You can save up to 1,000 on it. I hope you found it helpful.